What are the health benefits of drinking Guyabano leaves tea? Guyabano is considered to be one of the healthiest fruit. While Guyabano leaves tea also contains powerful health benefits for the body. Soursop or Guyabano or soursop fruit comes from the graviola tree, that usually grows in tropical climate countries such as the Philippines. It is being cultivated worldwide due to its versatility. From being delicious and exotic fruit, it can be also used for medicinal purposes. Graviola tree provides many purposes. Its fruit can be eaten ripe or can be used to make many types of desserts. The concoction of its leaves contains various beneficial effects to your body's health and is very effective in the treatment and prevention of several types of diseases. Health benefits of Guyabano leaves tea. 1. Boosts immune system. Drinking Guyabano leaves tea regularly will help to boost your immune system. Guyabano leaves contain potent antioxidants and vitamin C, that helps protect you from the bad effects of free radicals. Free radicals can speed up aging and cause health disorders and chronic organ dysfunctions. With the boosted antioxidants, your production of white blood cells will also be improved. White blood cells are your protection against elements that attack your body. When they reach at peak performance, your body's immune system will improve. You will be protected against various diseases. 2. Cancer prevention. Drinking Guyabano leaves tea may help protect your body system against cancer and also reduce the side effects of chemotherapy. A study published in the Journal of Natural Products reported that Guyabano leaves are 10,000 times better, compared to the chemotherapy drug known as adriamycin. Yes, 10,000 times more potent. Guyabano leaves tea acts as anti-cancer and it can be consumed to help in the preventing cancer from occurring in the first place. 3. Diabetes treatment. The hypoglycemic content in Guyabano leaves can help in the treatment of diabetes patients to remedy their blood sugar level. By drinking Guyabano leaves tea, the patients can help in lowering their sugar blood without any side effects. 4. Heart health. Guyabano leaves tea protects and strengthens the heart. It is known as a powerful herbal drink that boosts the function of the cardiovascular system. Guyabano leaves tea maintains healthy blood circulation system. It helps ease the strain and stress on your arteries and blood vessels, so your heart will have an easier job pumping blood to all parts of your body. Also, the mechanism lowers the blood pressure, therefore it will benefit people who suffer from hypertension. This will reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. 5. Gout arthritis. Guyabano leaves tea contains anti-inflammatory properties that help in the treatment of gout arthritis. The main cause behind gout arthritis is the inability of the kidneys to clean and filter purine substances from the bloodstream. As a result of this, the toxins accumulate in the joints which bring sharp pain that gets more intense as the night comes. Drinking Guyabano leaves tea will help in easing the symptoms and solving the problem by removing purine substances from the body.